kids, welcome to Kit Kat Kids. And now let's learn A, B, C together.
A for apple.
Apple, apple.
B for banana.
B for banana.
C for cow.
C for cow.
D for dolphin.
D for dolphin.
E for egg.
E for egg.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for horse.
Toddlers.
I for ice cream.
Apple dancing.
J for jeep.
G for jeep.
K for kite.
K for cat.
L for lollipop.
Lollipop.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for nest.
Internet.
O for orange.
Apple orange.
P for panda.
People panda.
Q for queen.
People coon.
R for rabbit.
Apple rabbit.
S for sun.
The tool.
T for turtle.
Two for turtle.
U for umbrella.
U for the mula.
B for van.
B for van.
W for watermelon.
The tomato.
X for x-ray.
Itu leche.
Y for yak.
You black.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.